Hi guys, hey, welcome back. This is day number 26, and I've come back to my dormitory room. Finally, I'm here in this working atmosphere in Moscow, in the capital. I'm not in the field anymore, not in a village, so we're ready. I'm ready to continue doing my challenge. I will speak English every single day until get fluent. Weekend in my village, it was really awesome and so funny. We met with my friends, went to the city, drive by car to the city, spent crazy time here, just someone was drunk, someone wasn't, I wasn't drunk, I never drink, met with my family, obviously with the both grandma, got a lunch from grandma, recall the place where I was born. It's pretty much about village life. Let's get back to English learning process. Today's topic is money. I have Argentinian money, realistic Argentinian money. I got it from my friends. Look at this, like a bird. This is kiwi bird, so beautiful. Argentinian money. This is with some leopard. Smell good, really. I have a lot of hundreds rubles banknotes. Look at this. I'm fucking rich. Russian 100 rubles. Yo. Like this. For me personally, money is really important, but I don't have enough money right now. Not so much what I like to have. But it is important, yeah. This is just the point of my comfort life. Money will make my life more comfort, will open new opportunities for me, create some new products, some new ideas, and demonstrate it to whole world with money. What sort of things do you like spare money on? Honestly, the only two things where I spend my spare money is food, obviously. Food to just survive in my dormitory in Moscow, and sometimes, from time to time, I can afford myself to buy clothes, new t-shirt or new jeans, when I have this spare money. Mostly, this is only food, yeah. I'm trying to recall, and this is probably sneakers. That's kind of what I showed you in the previous video. It was a necessary purchase, absolutely. I could continue happy life without the sneakers, but I've just decided to buy it as a treat for me. I'm gonna be honest, that's not difficult for me to control my spending money, because I'm pretty financially literate, and I got used to save money since I was a kid. I got used to think over every my purchase, the goal for what I buy it, and do I really need it, or this is just treats? This is not necessary at all. I'm trying to avoid this treat purchase. So yeah, I'm pretty literate. I'm trying to invest every single month the small part of my money, of my allowance from home to survive in Moscow. I'm trying to invest the part. The other part I'm spending to dormitory room, and the other to food, to clothes, and this kind of. Alright, I'm about to finish today these 4 questions. It was pretty good, really controversial topic, money, because there is a lot of different point of views, different ideas about money, and every single person can have their own opinion, different opinion about money. Yeah, thank you for being here. Let's continue learning languages, and let's just enjoy our life. Thank you guys. Bye bye.